Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're showcasing a groundbreaking development in Turkish unmanned aviation. The advanced ANKA III UAV has successfully completed a test flight, demonstrating a significant new capability, air-launching the Süper Şimşek high-speed target drone. This successful firing test marks a crucial step towards integrating air-launched decoys and potentially other payloads onto the ANKA III. The Süper Şimşek, known for its high speed and maneuverability, was effectively deployed from one of the ANKA III's hardpoints during the flight. The concept of air-launching drones like the Süper Şimşek from a stealthy platform like the ANKA III has significant implications for future missions. This capability can be particularly valuable in stealth operations, where the ANKA III can deploy decoys to confuse enemy air defenses or provide realistic threat simulations. The ANKA III's low radar cross-section design, combined with its ability to deploy high-speed targets, enhances its survivability and mission effectiveness in contested airspace. This test showcases the platform's versatility beyond traditional surveillance and strike roles. This successful integration of the Süper Şimşek with the ANKA III underscores Turkey's innovative approach to unmanned systems and its commitment to developing advanced capabilities for complex missions. What are your thoughts on this exciting new capability for the ANKA III? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest advancements in Turkish defense technology. See you in the next one.